Ocean Reef Neptune Space GDivers integrated full face diving mask, pink color, small and medium sizes available. Hi, welcome my friend. The Neptune Space GDivers mask is available in multiple sizes and color options and includes an integrated balance second stage regulator with the 3/8 of inch threads, 31.5 inch, 80 centimeter low pressure hose. The painted billow style face skirts, molded from premium grade silicone rubber, uses a spring profile and large ceiling, double the size and the spacing, 30 to 45 millimeters, to achieve a very comfortable fit and ample support. This spring effect is a combination of double S section and the inner support ribs, which allows the GDivers full face mask to float comfortably on the face. The head strap is directly attached to the face shield, allowing pressure to be distributed equally along the mask skirt. The 6 straps at the head harness hold the mask in a firm position due to their low elasticity. The FRB2 fast rotating buckle allows the mask to be donned and doffed quickly. These unique face, seal and strap concepts are Ocean Reef's patent. The streamlined visor, made of transparent polycarbonate, is designed to be wider and set closer to the face than previous full face mask. The GDivers design maximizes the visual field, particularly the peripheral area. The visible light transfer of the visor is 92%. These factors give divers an astonishingly clear view of the underwater world. GDivers transceivers expands the diver's ability to communicate with others verbally. The ultrasonic transceiver boasts the autonomy of approximately 30 hours in receiving mode, a range of operation of 200 to 250 meters calm sea water, is a powerful single channel and inexpensive push-to-talk underwater wireless communication unit. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.